वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हुरमत खान एट योर सर्विस। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सभी अपने घरों के अंदर बिल्कुल महफूज होंगे। कोरोना वबा की वजह से अभी स्कूल्स बंद हैं, लेकिन जिन बच्चों के पास एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन्स नहीं हैं या जो बच्चे कुछ वजह से ये अपने आप को मुस्तफ़ीद नहीं कर सकते हैं ऑनलाइन मोड से, वो आ सकते हैं कम्युनिटी क्लास में और इनका फ़ायदा ले सकते हैं। कम्युनिटी क्लास आर रनिंग smoothly outside the school premises in open areas. So if you don't possess Android phones or you are not able to read through the online mode, by any reason you can come to the community classes and get facilitated to a greater extent. Dear students, but the important thing is that you have to connect yourself with your books, and when you remain connected with your books, that is the way by which you can build your future and your time will get the right direction. यानी किताबों के साथ आप रहे, जब आप किताबों के साथ रहोगे तो आपका जो कीमती वक्त है इसको सही डायरेक्शन मिल जाएगी और आपका मुस्तकबिल संवर जाएगा। नो डाउट एंड that this pandemic has caused a great loss in the academic field of the students. Dear students, today we are dealing with a very important topic in the political science of class 11th, that is the difference between parliamentary type of government and the presidential type of the government. यानी पार्लियामेंट्री और सदारती जो हुकूमत होती है इसमें क्या फ़र्क होता है। टुडे आपको ये जानना है कि पार्लियामेंट्री टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट और प्रेसिडेंशियल टाइप ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट में क्या फ़र्क है। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, many or we can say few countries in the world go with the presidential system of the government. It is best example is United States of America, and other than United States of America, Brazil, Argentina, Mexico and Philippines go with the presidential system of the government. In a presidential system of the government, the head of the government is president and chief executive is also the president. So we can say there is a single legislature, single executive. In a presidential system there is a single executive, and remember it is based on the principle of separation of the powers. इन सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स होती है प्रेसिडेंटल सिस्टम में। आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है जो एग्जीक्यूटिव ब्रांच ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट है दैट इज़ नॉट रेस्पॉन्सिबल द लेजिस्लेचर, और वी कैन से एग्जीक्यूटिव इज नॉट टेकन फ्रॉम द legislature. So there is a single executive branch and the powers are separated there. Executive is not part of the legislature, and legislature has a separate powers, executive has separate powers. So independent judiciary is there, that is independent from legislature and executive branch. So in a presidential system, head of the government is president and head of the state is president. All the powers are in his name and they are exercised by the president, and president is the chief executive and head of the government. So the legislature there is not the part of executive, and or we can say executive is not taken from the legislature. This is the beauty of the, or we can say the future of the presidential system. The United States of example is originator and of the presidential system and the best example of the presidential system. And the presidential system, simply you have to keep in the mind, is a system in which the president is head of the government and he is the chief executive, and president is elected directly or indirectly by people for a specific time period, or we can say for a fixed term. America or United States of America is the best example of the presidential system. So in a presidential system there is a single executive, no double executive is there. Legislature is not the part of executive, or executive is not responsible to the legislature. This is the presidential system. In a parliamentary system, there is a double set of executive. For example, in case of India, the president is the head of the state and prime minister is the head of the government. So there is a double executive. One is the nominal executive, another is the real executive. Real executive means the council of ministers headed by the prime minister, and the nominal executive means president. Powers are given in the name of president and they are exercised by the prime minister. All the cabinet decisions are taken in the name of president, and but these decisions are taken by the cabinet headed by the prime minister. But executive branch of the government comes from the legislature, and legislature is the part of executive, and executive is responsible to the legislature in case of the parliamentary system. So we can say in a parliamentary system double set of executives there. One is the nominal executive, another is the real executive. And India and British are the examples of the parliamentary system of the government. Let me repeat the things in Kashmiri. दपा आज पर प्रेसिडेंटल सिस्टम तो पार्लियामेंटल सिस्टमस मज क्या फर्क इस प्रेसिडेंटल सिस्टम अमिच बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका अम बगैर चलान ब्राजीलस मज अर्जेंटीनास मज मैक्सिकोस मज फिलिपाइनस मज प्रेसिडेंटल सिस्टमस मज सिंगल एग्जीक्यूटिव हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट प्रेसिडेंट यानी चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रेसिडेंट हेड ऑफ द स्टेट तो प्रेसिडेंट लेजिस्लेचर सह पार्ट ऑफ द एग्जीक्यूटिव कि या वनो कि एग्जीक्यूटिव ब्रांच सह लेजिस्लेशन मज सारने कह यह इंडिपेंडेंट ब्रांच एग्जीक्यूटिव गो सह ब्रांच ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इम्प्लीमेंट लॉ करान लेजिस्लेचर गो सह कानून साजे कानून बनावान जुडिशरी यह इंडिपेंडेंट फ्राम लेजिस्लेचर एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव ब्रांच सो द सिंगल एग्जीक्यूटिव इज देयर एंड दैट इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ लेजिस्लेचर एंड executive is not responsible to the legislature. This is the beauty of the, or we can say the future of the presidential system. And presidential system of the government, its best example is United States of America. So in a presidential system, executive is not responsible to legislature and executive is not part of the legislature. Head of the government is president and the chief executive is also president. एंड इन पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम जो पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम में क्या होता है पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम में डबल एग्जीक्यूटिव होता है वहाँ डबल एग्जीक्यूटिव पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम में वो हेड ऑफ द स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट और इन केस ऑफ इंडिया निमून हेड ऑफ द स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर तमो मतलब वो डबल एग्जीक्यूटिव नॉमिनल एग्जीक्यूटिव कि पावर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया नावस इन केस ऑफ इंडिया इन एग्रसाइज कर प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया या काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स तमन ये हेड प्राइम मिनिस्टर या ब्रिटिश मोनार्क नमो सह हेड ऑफ द स्टेट इस प्राइम मिनिस्टर हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट कोई रियल हेड एक्चुअली प्राइम मिनिस्टर क्या हेड कर काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स क्या डिसीजन डिसीजन इन द नेम ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट नेम गो तेल डबल सेट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव नॉमिनल एग्जीक्यूटिव बैक रियल एग्जीक्यूटिव दुम एग्जीक्यूटिव ब्रांच ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट सह पार्ट ऑफ द लेजिस्लेचर बेस एग्जीक्यूटिव रेस्पॉन्सिबल टू द लेजिस्लेचर इन केस ऑफ पार्लियामेंटरी टाइप ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट लेट मी रिपीट द थिंग्स वंस अगेन डियर स्टूडेंट्स टुडे वी आर डीलिंग विथ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इन योर पॉलिटिकल साइंस दैट इज द what is presidential system and what is the parliamentary type of government. In presidential system the head of the government is president and chief executive is president. Its best example is the United States of America. All the powers are given in the name of president and they are exercised by the prime minister. So the executive branch of the government is not responsible to the legislature. Executive branch of the government is not part of the legislature. President powers are given in the name of president and they are exercised by the prime minister. Or remember the main feature of the presidential system is that it has an executive that is not part of the legislature and or we can say executive is not taken from the legislature. And one more important system is based on the separation of powers. And the judiciary, which is the third organ of the government, is independent from the executive and legislature branch of the government. It is operated in United States of America, Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, and Philippines. In a parliamentary type of government, in comparison to that presidential system, in a parliamentary type of government, there is a double set of executive. One is the nominal executive and is the real executive. In case of India, president is a nominal executive or powers are given in his name, and but in real they are exercised by the prime minister. So double set of executive is there. One is the real executive, that is the council of ministers headed by prime minister, and is the nominal executive. And executive branch of the government is taken from the legislature and executive is responsible to the legislature. Dear students, these are This is the difference between the presidential system and the parliamentary system. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. But important thing is that you have to see these things on your available political science textbook or a reference book so that you can grasp the concept well. Thanks. Be blessed.